Morning, we're here at Clarity Towers, just getting the last little bits together for the NEC, and we'll be heading off in a little bit. It's about 5:30, so we're hoping to get there roughly around 8 o'clock, and yeah, should be a good day. Right, we are here at Oxford Services for a little pit stop to get some little bit of breakfast, and yeah, we're going to head off pretty soon afterwards, so we'll see you inside. Just finished breakfast, didn't want to film that, no one wants to see that, no, not really. I think we've got about another hour left to go on the trip, so we'll do a little bit of camera magic and we'll see you there. It might take your eyes a couple of minutes to adjust because it's a very strenuous travel, but let's give it a go. And we're here. Everyone all right? Everyone can see okay? All in focus? Yeah? Lovely. So we're here at the NEC. We're in managed to get to the car park okay. I think it's time to see the stand, don't you? Yeah, come on then. Right. Where's Jordan gone? Oh, there he is. Come on. Come on, Jordan. Right, so a little bit background as to what we're doing in this video. So essentially, it's not walk into traffic. Essentially, it's a behind the scenes little rundown as to what we do at the shows. Because all we ever do is go to the show, meet and greet a lot of people, do a lot of demonstrations for everyone, and then we go home. But to give everyone who doesn't go to the show a little bit of idea of what's going on, but we do a little bit of behind the scenes, a little bit of a showcase as to what we do at the show. Yeah, we thought we'd give you a little bit of insight, and it should be fun. Right, here we are. Let's go and find the stand. Oh, there is a lot of people. Right, here we are, made it. As you can see, got a lovely stand here today, and yeah, should be a good show. Welcome. As you can see, we've got a lovely stand here. So let's take a look around, see what we've got, shall we? So we've got our lovely dies section. It's a very nice display they've done today. We've got all our groovy section there. We've got a lot of folders down here as well. Some bit more dies down the bottom. Got lovely stencils on the nice shelving there. Got our stamp section. I'm sure Bob will be showing off a lot of these. And all our lovely artwork from our lovely design team. And we've also got our Pergamano section here, so let's take a quick look. Got a lovely books by Linda Williams. We've got a new book as well by Linda, Multi-Needle Tools book version 2. Got all of our Pergamano tools all on display here. As well, a little sneak peek at the make and takes over here. Should be a good one. Let's have a look. So you've got a free make and take here with some lovely designers. Hello Barb, how are you doing?
Good morning.
How's it going?
Well, we're looking forward to it. We've been really busy, we've been restocking. We had a really busy day yesterday, Simon, and you can see the crowds are already queuing up at the door.
Yeah.
So we're all set to go. I've got the new stamps ready to launch. Paul's doing a really great groovy demo. There's Hazel on a super groovy make
Should be a really good show.
So it's going to be a really good show. I'm really looking forward to it.
Awesome. And what time did you get up this morning?
Always get up at 5:30.
5:30.
5:30. It takes me that long to put my makeup on nowadays.
Well, you have a good show, Barb, and we'll see you soon.
Thanks a lot. See you there.
So the doors should be open soon, and it's time to get underway. All right, that's it for today. That's a wrap. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a comment down below if you want to see this again. Leave a like on the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the little notification bell to stay up to date with all the stuff coming from Claritystamps. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. See you next Tuesday on YouTube Tuesday. Bye.